if you like the click and the punch of your kick drum, but the low frequencies lack somewhat or lack tightness, don't rush to replace a kick. So what you can do is you can insert a high pass filter over this kick drum, filter out the low frequencies below 120 or 80 Hertz, then replace them with a sine tone from a soft synth layered below it. So with this sound, I like the kick's punch, but I don't really like the low end. So let's just have a listen. So I can get an EQ8 or any other EQ plugin. Filter out the low frequencies. Next we can get a soft synth. So I've got Silent 1 here, and I've created some MIDI on the key of the kick. So the key of this kick is G sharp. So I've created a MIDI note on each beat. We have a quick listen to Silent. What I've done here as well is started off with an initialized patch. We've got one oscillator playing a sine tone. Let's have a quick listen. So that's just a pure sine wave. What I've done as well is I've adjusted the envelope here so that the sine wave is at a decent length, so it's not too long or too short. I may need to adjust this again in a second when we play it alongside the main kick. So we've got a synth, we've got one oscillator playing a sine tone. Let's have a listen to them blended in together. That's just pure kick drum. Now I'll activate Silent. Of course, we can adjust and modify the sine tone, so I might want to tighten the envelope up and maybe even make the note length shorter. That sounds a little bit better. So this was a quick tip on creating a solid low-end kick. Here we replaced the low end of the kick drum with a sine tone from a synthesizer. So we were wondering, do you find this technique useful? Please let us know with a yes or no in the comments. Thanks for watching.